Creating beautiful guitars can be difficult, so I've decided to create series of videos whereby I show you guys how you can create beautiful sounding guitars in FL Studio. And I saw you guys really love the previous video. Trust me, you're definitely gonna love this one also. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. So my aim is basically to to make you guys learn how to create realistic sounding guitar. Okay, so just wake you up from the sleep, you're able to create some nice sounding guitars. So quickly, let's just go right into FL Studio, and I'm just gonna load the same library, which is Actor. All right, so we have Actor open, and today we're gonna be working on the tempo of 93 BPM. All right, so let's just layer those chords. So I'm just gonna go to the piano roll, and the last time I showed you how you could create melodies, you could just layer the chords, then strum the chords. So today we're gonna be doing something similar to that, and I'm gonna show you. Definitely, I know you're definitely gonna learn something from this video today. So quickly, I'm just going to start arranging those notes. So I'm going to be working on the key of F minor, which is relative minor of G sharp. So I'm just gonna put in my chord. So our normal standard F minor triad is going to be something like this. Then we have our C. So basically this is our F minor. And play chords like this don't sound really interesting. We want to create some nice realistic sounding guitar melodies. So but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off these notes, this note right here. I like adding my saw when I'm playing my minor. So I'll add this up, so something like this. Then these notes that I took out here, I can just take it an octave higher. So you have a chord like this. It's not sounding nice, but again, we are going to make it sound nice. Then we're going to, from our 6, we're going to move to our 3. Then the next note, I just need it to be our C, which is our 3. I'm just going to extend it. It's also a minor chord. So, a minor, our C minor is supposed to be something like this. Yeah, so this is supposed to be our C minor. Let me just play that. But it's not sounding nice. What I'm going to do again, I'm going to take off these notes. Let's add something here. And another note right here. So yeah, so we have copy the same chord, just take it to our 2, which is going to be B minor, B and B flat minor, then carry this back. So basically this is our chord we're going to be using. We're moving from the 6 to the 3 to the 2 to the 3, and it sounds like this. Okay, so now let's go into the fun part where we're gonna create some nice chords with what we have right here. So I'm just gonna strum it, just like the last video, strum it. So I'm just gonna shift these notes. When I shift it, I just shorten it. Also take this, let's shorten it. Then I want to take this also, to the end, and just take this also to the end. So we have something like this. I want to shorten this. Let's hear what it sounds like first. Yeah, so I need it to, let's shift this a little bit. Yeah, so you get the vibe. So let's shift this also. Yeah, just shift it. So for this, I'm not really gonna strum it that much. I just need something like this. The same thing for here. So what I can do is just, okay, let's just follow it the same way. I could just copy this first one and put it here, but let me just show you guys again. Just shift this, let's shift this like this, just shorten this. And try this a little bit here. I just shorten each of the notes. So we have this nice sounding. So the same thing, let's just shift this. You can see we've created some nice sounding guitars. I love this. What I'm gonna do, just take this to my mixer, EQ, or I have this guitar preset I use all the time. Yeah, it's been a long time I've been using it. So yeah, I've just loaded this, some delay, some reverb, and an EQ. So this is what the EQ is doing, just taking out some of the lows. Then we have some reverb and some nice delay. Yeah, so we have all this together. So I can then put this on my playlist. Let us go with 8 bars. Let's go back to the song mode. Yeah, the next thing I could layer it with some nice chords. So I'm gonna go over to sky keys. So guys, I just want you to master this art of creating realistic sounding guitars. So in case you don't have like a guitarist to play some chords for you, just creating all these little notes here, all these little movements gives it that realistic, that realistic feel. So I want to add some chords. So let's create on that pattern. Let's call these chords. Nice. So let's just arrange that. And let me just bring splice here. And for me, the trick I use in getting some nice vocals, splice is basically just searching for filtered vocals. So I search for filtered vocals, and it gives me lots of move to the rhythm of the beat. And I have this companion right here, a smaller version of the splice plugin. So I'm just gonna drag that in. And basically, this is on the key of C sharp minor. So this is C sharp minor right here. I'm on the key of, like I told you, F. I just need to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just gonna pitch this 400 cents. What a coincidence! Same as the other one we used in the last video. I'm just gonna stretch it to 4 bars. So we have this. I send it to my mixer. I'm just gonna use EQ just to tame out some of the frequencies. Now I think I could start, adding in some drums, some one shots, and let's see what we come up with. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over to this and just pick some nice sounding one shot. I think I want to go with this rim shot. So let's call this rim. And for the rim, what I want to do is just something simple, just a bounce like this. Let's put it on a piano roll, just something like this. Just a bounce like this. Yeah, this bounce, just increase the velocity so it hits really hard. And don't forget, I have my soft clipper. It's always good to have your soft clipper, so everything is in check, nothing is clipping. So let's go. So I think I need like a percussion groove, something like a shaker, just to give it, give it some movement, give it some groove. So I like this loop. Let's put it in. So send it to my mixer. Let's see if you can take out some frequencies. Yeah, just take out some of the lows. Something like this. So I'm just gonna loop this part and let's work on this part. Let's create some nice vibe just on this part. So I move from the 6. Then to our 3. Yeah, so let's go. Let's see for this part we have we can extend it, we already have an idea. We have like the skeleton of the whole vibe. Let's put this over here. thank you for watching. I hope you got something from this. If you did, let me know in the comment section. And if you love this kind of videos, just let me know also in the comment section. Prepare to join the Patreon. The link to join the Patreon is going to be in the description of this video. Join the Patreon, guys, for amazing stuffs going on the Patreon. Thank you guys for watching. And let me know your thoughts, please. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know your thoughts, please. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.